Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Excite anal beads in small. So let's get started. So these are the anal beads themselves. Now these have a diameter of 20 milliliters. Now as you can see, there are 4 balls included on this anal bead chain and it's perfect for beginners. It's made of a silky soft smooth body safe silicone for a comfortable feeling, and it has a loop handle just here, so insertion and removal is simple and easy. When using these beads, we recommend to use either a water-based lubricant, or alternatively you can also use an anal lubricant, which is slightly thicker than a water-based and is perfect for anal play. Make sure to clean the beads after every use using either toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Nexus Excite small anal beads. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.